Okay, so what I've done here is I have opened up a dual window. So I have the question here for number 24, and I'm going to show you how to do p-values. So here we're going to use the variance stats. So I'm going to go to stat, variance stats. I have one sample and I've got summary data. So the sample variance, keep in mind the variance is the square of the standard deviation. So the sample variance is 0.0037 squared. And I can just type that in right here, squaring. And then the sample is 20, the sample size is 24. And I'm going to run the hypothesis test. Now sigma squared, keep in mind you have sigma as your parameter, but we're going to use sigma squared in the StatCrunch test. So we have, for the variance, we have 0.005, and it's going to be squared, and likewise we'll do that for both. Now we're testing whether the standard deviation has decreased. Likewise, the variance would decrease if that was the case. So let's see, we are testing at the okay, so we have everything we need. Let's go ahead and compute, and we're testing at the 0.01 level. So here we have the chi-square stat, which you already got, 12.59, and then the p-value is right next to it, 0.0398, and so we'd be comparing that to see if it's actually smaller than the alpha of 0.01. So that should be it, and that's similar to how you find the p-values for all of these. You simply run the hypothesis test, and the p-value is listed right next to the test statistic.